In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compress your PDF file in less than 1 or 2 minutes. So first, I'm going on Google, then type how to compress PDF file size for free. So then here are lots of websites. So I highly recommend it for use. I love PDF because this is very drag and drop website. You don't need login here. So this website link I will attach in my video description. You need to upload on your PDF file here. So again purpose I upload my PDF file, and you can see it's maybe 77 MB right now. So you can see it's 77 MB and 176 pages here. Now click on compressed PDF file. Then you need to wait 1 or maybe 1 minutes left. So I'm waiting. Wow, my work are already done. You can see before the compress my file was 77 MB, and after the completed compress my file size are 37 MB. This is amazing, and it's 52% saved. So this is the method how you can compress your PDF file in 1 or 2 minutes. So if you found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe this channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.